Good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing out there this morning? Hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the first time, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. It's Pandora, the postcard diva. All right, guys. I'm back. I'm going to show you another resource for my digital marketers, my affiliate marketers, basically anybody that has a website you're promoting in the make money online niche. All right, another traffic source. Okay, if you haven't checked out this project though, how to earn daily pay income using a 2-hour workday blueprint, go to the link in the description. It's on the screen as well, www.thecopypastemethod.com. All right, but let me share with you another resource for getting traffic to your website. All right, check it out. All right, everybody knows if you don't have traffic, traffic is people looking at your opportunity consistently on a daily basis. You're not in business, guys. You must have leads of people checking out what you're offering. All right, so the evolutionary reason why top marketers choose us as their go-to traffic provider and how you can explode your business today. Focus on making sales while we fill your pipeline with ready to buy leads. Yes, I want premium email traffic now. All right, so this is another solo provider, okay, that I'm sharing with you guys. You can read over that information there. We're just going to get right into it. All right, folks want to have another resource. And then I've got another one in the description, so go check it out as well. So, two of my top traffic sources I actually use myself. I do paid advertising and I do the free marketing as well. Okay, so this is another paid advertising resource. All right, so let's get down here. So, choose the package that fits your needs. Beginner marketing packages. Funnel review. Okay, we'll review your funnel to make sure the campaign generates the best ROI possible. So this provider is going to check out your funnel. And that's the other thing, guys. You need a funnel. Do not just buy traffic and send people to a just plain website where you're not capturing the email of the prospect. Otherwise, you're literally throwing your money out the window, okay? Because you have no follow-up. You don't know how many people actually went to the website, right? So you need a funnel, okay? So what does a funnel look like? Let me give you an example. Here's a few I put together. Check it out. Let's see, here's one. Okay, this is a funnel. All right, where folks come to a page where they have to enter their email. That's important because I have a follow-up email series that's going to be following up with my prospects. Okay, because people, when they're looking for an opportunity, they're all over the place. So a lot of times they don't even remember what sites they went to, what they saw, or even how to get back to something they may have wanted to check out later, right? So with this, it helps you because number one, your system can follow up with them, all right? And then number two, for them too, because a lot of times, again, people forget, and then when they get an email, they click the link in there, and they go, oh, that's right. This is something I want to check out, and I couldn't remember where I saw it, right? So your email follow-up series is going to follow up with them, Okay, as well as your marketing system, you can send out email blasts to your leads as often as you like, depending on which marketing system you get, right? So here is one of the pages I put together, all right, with the system I use, all right? And the link is in the description for this system if you're interested in a marketing system. All right, let me show you another page. So you need a funnel, okay? Here's another page I put together, okay? All right, here's another one. You need a funnel before you start purchasing traffic, point blank, period. Again, otherwise you're throwing your money literally out the window, okay? All right, so let's get back over to the resource. All right, so this is what they're saying. They will review your funnel to make sure it gets the best ROI. Follow-up sequence includes 7-day email follow-up sequence to make sure you squeeze as much profits as possible on the back end. You're going to get real human visitors. This is not a bot, an AI bot, okay? Real human visitors. Targeted MMO traffic. Well, what's MMO? Making money online, which is what we have here. We're affiliate marketers, network marketers, digital marketers, right? Promoting other people's products, that type of thing. Making money online. So this traffic is targeted to that niche. 85% tier 1. This is the beginner packages we're talking. 85% tier 1, okay, which is English speaking. Okay, it's 85%. This package. If you want 100% tier, you're going to look into the expert marketing packages. So beginners package 85% tier 1, buyers included, fast delivery. Okay, that's beginner package. Now we get down to the expert marketing packages. Custom swipes. Swipes are ads. Okay. When you grab one of the intermediate packages, we'll write a custom swipe for you. Since we know our subscribers well and we know what makes them move, it'll absolutely increase your conversions. Direct contact. You will have direct contact with me as your order progresses so you can follow your results and make changes if needed. Okay, this is the vendor. Consulting. We will personally spend time with you going over your strategy, offers, and funnels. Absolutely everything to help you optimize your campaign for the highest ROI possible. We drive thousands of clicks per day to our funnels, so it's safe to say we know what works, and we are more than willing to share our experience with you. Okay, you get consulting as well. This is for, they state, the intermediate packages. Okay, then they also talk about the ROI focused campaign. The entire campaign will be focused on getting you massive results, meaning we will be gathering data and constantly optimizing your campaign to maximize your ROI. Plus bonuses from smaller packages, real human visitors, as we talked about with the beginner package, targeted MMO traffic. This traffic is for making money online buyers, prospects. Okay, 100% tier 1. Okay, that's 100% English speaking. These folks have been targeted to want to spend money and get started with the making money online opportunities. Okay, so this is the highest prospect list, 100% tier 1. Okay, buyers included, fast delivery. Okay, yes, I want premium email traffic now. So here are the price points. The expert marketing package. Price is not bad at all, guys, to be honest. 100 visitors. Okay, 100 buyers. Okay, this is not a guarantee of sales. Okay, they can't guarantee you 100 people I'm gonna send 100 people to your site and 100 are gonna sign up. And that's not what this is. They guarantee you delivery. Okay, but it's up to your system that you have and the people that's going there, whether they sign up or not. Okay, that's why it's very important to have a funnel. So at least you can gauge what the traffic did for you. All right. So 100 visitors to your site is going to be $73. Okay, this is real human visitors, targeted traffic, 100% tier 1 countries, buyers included, fast delivery. All right, so 73 bucks. Again, this is the expert. This is the top tier package. You can get 1,000 visitors to your site for $730. Okay, same stuff applies here. 500 visitors for $365. Okay, that is the expert package. Now we come down here to the beginner package, which is still a great service. Okay, I've tried this as well. This is 70% tier 1 countries here. All right, same stuff applies here as far as real traffic, targeted traffic. So for $60, you can get 100 visitors to your website, your capture page, your funnel. 1,000 visitors is $600. 500 visitors is $300. All right, guys. All right, and then let's check out the FAQ real quick here. I place my order, now what? All right, hold on. All right, we will review your entire page and funnel to make sure it's working properly. If we think it can be improved, we will get back to you with suggestions. If your page is good and your funnel is working properly, we will proceed with your order. Okay? All right, that's that one. What kind of offers do you allow or promote? We promote all affiliate marketing related offers, which is what I explained to you earlier. All right, so this is definitely for that niche. I do not have an ad or ad copy. In other words, do you have an ad, right? A lot of times we have to have our own ad to submit. But with this vendor, they're saying, hey, you don't need to have an ad. We will create that for you, right? So do not worry. We will write one for you for free. Okay? All right. And let's see, what's the next one? When will you start my order? Due to high demand for our traffic and to keep the quality of our traffic high, we're using booked weeks in advance. In addition to that, we promote a limited amount of offers to our list. So they don't just, there's sites where people just buy traffic and you kind of get in a waiting list, or you just, you pay them and then they just send traffic out, just boom. No, this company kind of throttles it, okay? They want to make sure that they don't overbook, if that makes sense. So you will receive an email with the exact starting date of your order. If you want to know the exact date, reach out to us before you place your order. 30% opt-in conversion rate. All right. We will build, okay, this is for the folks that buy the 1,000 clicks. We will build a dedicated landing page for you when you buy the 1,000 clicks or more. The landing page is tested and proven to convert at 30%. If you do not get 30% opt-in rate, we will continue sending traffic until you get the equivalent number of opt-ins. All right. And again, that is for the people that buy that $1,000 or more package. Okay, guys. All right. I have a question. Let's see. Hold on. Simply contact us here and we will respond in less than 24 hours. All right, guys. So there you have it. Another traffic resource. Folks always reach out to me and ask about, hey, what lead sources, what traffic sources do I recommend? All right, so here is another one for the books. I'll put the link in the description. Go check it out. And again, they tell you they'll send you an email once you purchase your traffic. All right, guys. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, guys, don't forget to smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.